Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do my makeup with you and give you some life updates, so I'm gonna just like jump right into it. So it's been like a couple months since I've given anybody an update on my life and what's been going on in it. Honestly, I've just been so busy. We moved. I'm studying for the CSES starting Monday. I kept like starting it, but then things kept happening, like the move and all that, and it was just like I would read like one chapter and then I'd have to go in and like read it all over again, so that was kind of useless. Alright, I'm just gonna do something super light coverage today. I'm mixing the Kosas Tinted Oil with the Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Illuminator. I'm just going to, I don't think I'm gonna like tell you everything I'm using, but I'll put it in the description box. Just because this is an updates video on my life. Basically, we finally are pretty much all settled in with moving. It took forever, like just figuring out furniture and what needed to go in storage and what was already here and all that. It's just a process. Like anytime you move, it's literally a process. This is like super light coverage, and that's like exactly what I wanted. So basically the main thing I wanted to update you guys on today was like all the health issues I was having with the PCOS that I recently am like figuring out. Come to find out, I got blood work done. I'm just gonna use this palette as my mirror. Come to find out, my testosterone was super high, like crazy high. It was causing me all sorts of problems, which my other hormones were kind of like out of whack. They're all in the normal range, just not in the right ratios. So now my endocrinologist put me on 2 different medications to sort of level everything out and help with my weight loss, because the whole reason why I ended up going to the endocrinologist was I had so much fatigue, like all the time. I was always fatigued, still am kind of, and just couldn't concentrate. I forgot what I was saying as I was trying to say I couldn't concentrate. Yeah, so like couldn't concentrate, gaining weight constantly. Like every week I would gain, even when I was eating healthy and being active, so that didn't make any sense. And I could tell something was wrong, and my mom just got diagnosed with Hashimoto, so I was like, oh no, I probably have that. I don't. Come to find out, my thyroid hormones are fine. It's just all of my like sex hormones are just like wilding out. So basically the PCOS is just really bad, and we just have to get that under control, which is what I've been working on this past week. I started the medications and I have to take one morning and night, well, one in the morning and one in the night until I get better. So I'll keep you guys updated on like how I'm feeling. This first week I definitely have more energy. I'm kind of exhausted today, but every other day I've had way more energy, and I started losing weight. Actually, I've already lost a few pounds, which is excellent. I haven't even added in like extra activity yet. I mean, I've been a little bit more active throughout the day, but I haven't added in any like bouts of exercise. So yeah, I can't wait to see how the next weeks come with like exercise and all that, like how much I'll drop, and my hormones getting back to normal. Okay, this is super pretty mixing those 2 together. I love that. I'm just gonna go in and conceal because I'm gonna do some like some eyeshadow and stuff. But yeah, do any of you have like PCOS or any like hormonal issues that you're dealing with? Because it's really hard. I didn't realize how much it was actually affecting me until it kind of all like culminated into me just being like exhausted 24/7. Like when I woke up, it felt like I was like hit by a bus or something. It was crazy. Shocking I even got any of these videos done, to be honest with you, with the amount of fatigue I've been having. So anyway, needless to say, I have not been studying for the CSES like I should. I would like start on a chapter, and then between the move and like all the symptoms I've been having, I would just get so distracted and just wasn't really working out. So because I'm on these medications now to like help everything even out, it's helped my focus a tiny bit. So I enrolled in this course to help me get through the CSES like faster at least. It'll still take me a couple months to study, so this is still like an ongoing thing, but at least I'll have the online course now to like help guide me through it. Because I was also having an issue like studying on my own, not just from the PCOS like brain fog, but just like I'm way better with structure, as you'll probably notice. Like I like a routine and I like doing things a certain way, so I'm gonna be changing up my filming a little bit too. Right now it's Sunday, this video is going up Monday, but Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays I'm gonna be completely studying and working out. Like those days are dedicated to that, to like get all my studying in. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays I'll be filming, just so I can like have some sort of like structure going on. I'm just gonna go in with the Huda Beauty palette, the one that I'm trying to kind of like use up a little bit. I'm honestly just gonna keep this look super light. I wanted something like super low-key for today. But yeah, so I'm super excited to like start feeling better soon. It honestly was taking such a toll on me, and there was honestly so many different aspects of my life it was affecting, not just the ones I mentioned, just so much. It was getting really frustrating for me. So I'm super, super happy and excited to finally be working through it, and I have a doctor and a treatment plan and everything. So I'm definitely gonna be doing more like fitness videos and stuff like that coming up in the future. I also have a ton of fun ones for Halloween planned. I don't want to tell you guys everything because if I don't do it, I don't want you to be disappointed. But I definitely, I'm going to be DIYing my costume, I'll tell you that, for Halloween. It should go super well. If it doesn't, oh well, it'll be fun. But yeah, I'm going to be DIYing my costume, only because I couldn't find one I liked. I'll wait to tell you guys what it is until you see the video, but yeah, I just couldn't find the specific costume. It's something super simple too, like yeah, people have been it before. It's not anything super, super original. I just really wanted to be it because I've never been it for Halloween, so it was time. Moving and grooving. So yeah, those are my updates for like all my health stuff and school stuff. It's like slowly coming together, and I can't wait to feel better. It'll make filming easier too, honestly, because it's really tiring to like film as much as I do. Not that anybody told me I had to film this much, I just enjoy it, but it is super tiring on me, and I have so much I need to be getting done this year, the rest of this year, that I just needed more energy. I needed my health in check. She said I might even have some problems. The doctor said I might have some problems with like vitamin D or something. I don't know. I'm on a multivitamin right now. So yeah, I honestly just can't wait for everything to feel normal again and for me to get my weight back down. Only because it's just the fatigue that I'm experiencing with this weight gain has been insane. Like I really can't describe to you how tired I've been. I'm just so excited to like finally be working through it. I'm not gonna really contour, I just wanted to bronze a tiny bit. I always do that. If I put anything on my face, I'll put bronzer on. It just makes everything come together. Honestly, I'm not even gonna do blush today. I'm just not feeling it, you know? But yeah, I have so many fun videos planned though. And like, I can't wait to have the energy to do them. And I know I keep saying that a lot, but that's honestly been the problem. Just no energy. Oh yeah, and then for work updates, totally got bamboozled by my employer. I've been having like, so I'm in between jobs right now. And like right now I'm focusing on the CSCS. So I was gonna have a job update for you guys, but it fell through. And it was kind of frustrating because I was like working on that job for a few months, like trying to get it, and then that fell through. So I think I'm going to just get like a part-time job while I study for the CSCS, and then get a full-time job in my career like right after that. Because you really can't get employed in my degree unless you have the CSCS, unfortunately. So I'll just have to like maybe find a job at like a boutique or something until I can, you know, get a job in my field, which is fine. It's not ideal, it's not what I want to be doing, but it is what I have to do. I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone a little bit. I'm trying to think if I have anything else to update you guys on. That was really it. The whole PCOS thing was really the biggest thing because I didn't realize how bad my PCOS was. And I know I did a video on it before, but that was before I realized, you know, the extent of my PCOS. I just knew I had it. I didn't know how bad it was. So I'm definitely gonna do more videos on like as I'm losing weight, like what I'm doing in case it helps anybody. Because I love to help where I can. So yeah, if any of you are like super fatigued all the time and cannot lose weight no matter what you do, see your endocrinologist. When I was in middle school, a funny fact here, I would literally only wear an inner corner highlight. Like that would be my entire look, was an inner corner highlight and mascara. Funniest thing. Literally all the glitter fell out onto my face, but that's fine. I guess it's a look. It's a look. All right. I'm just gonna like define the brows a little bit. I feel like my face doesn't look complete without a little brow action going on. I don't know about anybody else, but this has been like a really hard year for me, honestly. I thought 2018 was hard, and then 2019 came in like, hold my cup. Honestly. Next year's gonna be so much better though, especially because like it takes a couple months for your body to get back to normal after like your hormones freak out as crazy as mine did. So it's gonna be like a month or two before I'm like feeling back to myself, and then as I lose the weight and like start to feel a little bit more healthy and energetic, then it'll be even better. So 2020 is gonna be my year. I just know it. I'll have my CSCS. I'll be down to the weight I need to be at to feel my best. I also want to go blonde soon. Like I debated not because it's like fall, but I think I might take the plunge. I don't know. But I also don't feel like spending like $250 on my hair because it takes so much money to go blonde. Because I mean, this color kind of works for fall though. I don't know. This is like my favorite lip balm. I'm kind of in the lip balm mood. This is the Sun Bum Tinted Lip Balm and Sandbar. I got this when I was in North Carolina. Or was it South Carolina? I honestly don't remember which one. But when I was there, I got this from a little boutique. Super peachy and pretty. I should have used this for my peach look. Maybe I did. That's another thing. My memory is so affected by the PCOS stuff. Alright guys, so that is a completed look. I know this video was super quick and speedy. I know I always say that and it ends up being 10 minutes, so we'll see when I'm editing how long this is. But yeah, this is a look. Those are my updates. I have more fun videos coming. This one was a little bit more low-key just because it's Sunday and I needed a very low-key video. So much going on this week coming up, so yeah. Stay tuned for my videos I have coming up. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!